Hello children, very good morning. Welcome to Hindi class. How are you all? All are fit and fine? So children, in the yesterday's class, what we done in the Hindi class? Circle the I letter. Is it? Yes. Circle the I letters. We done it. Is it? Yes. So each set we done what? I letter we circled it. Is it? Yes. So you have to identify the letters. Okay. So which letter will give your no in the title? So that letter you had to circle it. So why? So you had to identify the letters. Okay. So I am giving this to identify the letters. So which letter that you have to know it very well. Okay. Yes. So in the today's class also we'll do the circle the rule letter. Okay. Yes. So everyone take out 3-line notebook. Take out a pencil and eraser. Open new page and write CW classwork. And here also write same. Circle CIRCLE. Circle the the ru से Rishi. So which letter it is? Ru. Okay. Ru, circle the Ru letters. So what you have to do here? So each set I'll give the different letters. So in the different letter, somewhere will be there in the Ru letter. So you have to see the Ru letter and you have to circle it. Okay? Yes. So for example, I will show one. Okay? Before that, we'll write all the letters first. Okay? Yes. Okay, right now. A, I, O, Ru. So far you have to write it, okay? Yes. So leave one line and write number 1. O say what? Very good, Anar. Okay, next. E. E say? Very good, children. Imali. Next. Oo. Oo say? Very good. Un. Okay, next. Ru. Ru say? Rishi. Yes. Okay. And leave one line and write next one. Ru. So when you're writing the letters, no, you have to say it. Okay. So ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯಾವ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೀತೀರಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದಿ, ಸೊ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಓದುತ್ತಾ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ? ಎಸ್. ರು, ಐ, O, Okay, Okay, next leave one line and write next letters. A, E, U, Ru. Okay, leave one line and write next. Ow, aha, Ru, So like this, far you had to write the letters. Okay. So each letter you have to keep the finger and write the next letter. See, the is each letter I kept in gap. Is it finger? One finger gap I had kept it. Is it? Yes. So you also, when you are writing in your notebook, so you also you have to keep the finger and each letters you have to see it gaps. Okay, so like this you have to write it neatly. Okay, yes. So see children, so this is your, for example I will show you. So you had to read the letter. Okay, already I taught you a to aha, a se anar, a se e se imali, e se eek, U से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊन, रू से ऋषि, ए से एडी, आई से ऐनक, ओ से ओखली, औ से औरत, अम से अंगूर, आहा से आहा. So these words I taught you. Is it? Yes. So now you know very well. Is it? Letter, you will identify the letters. So you have to read the letters. Okay. Each letter you have to read it, then you have to circle the only Ru letter. Okay. For example, A, I, O, Ru. So which letter we have to circle? Ru letter. So this is a Ru letter, is it? Yes. So like this letter is here. So circle the Ru letter. So which letter it is? Ru letter. Okay, yes. So like this letters are in each set. Okay, so in each set Ru letter is there. So you have to circle the only Ru letter. Okay, yes. First we'll read the letters, then afterwards we will circle the Ru letter. Okay, next see. A, E, U, Ru. E, U, Ru. So which letter we have to circle here? Very good children. Ru letter. So circle the Ru letter. Okay. So next, read the letters. Ru, I, O, Ru, I, O, Okay, in this set, Ru is a letter is it. So where is the Ru? Yes, first one. Is it? Yes. Ru say what? Very good. Rushi. Okay, next. A, E, U, Ru. Once again read. A, E, U, Ru. So in this set, Ru is the last letter is there. Is it? Fourth one. So circle the Ru letter. Ru say Rishi. Okay, next letter read. Au, Aha, Ru, A. Once again read it. Au, Aha, Ru, A. So in this set, Ru letter is where? In the third letter. Is it? Yes. So third letter is a Ru letter. So circle the Ru letter. Okay, very good. So these are what? Ru letter. So which letter we circled? Very good. Ru letter. Ru say what? Rishi. Very good, children. Yes. So like this, you have to circle it. Okay? Yes. So homework, right? So homework is what? What you wrote in the classwork. This Ru letters, circle the Ru letters. So you have to copy the same in the homework page. Okay? So why I am giving this homework? Because of practice. If I had given in the exam, you had to write it, no? Yes. So I am giving the practice to perfect this all. Okay? So you have to identify the letters, different letters. You have to identify A to Aha. You have to perfect in A to Aha. Okay? So these are what? Swara. Okay? A to Aha is the swara. You have to know it very well. Okay, children? Reading and writing. So I am giving this classwork with homework. Understood? So everyone do this homework, circle the Ru letter, copy in the homework page and send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a good day.